Children, welcome to our science session of 5th class. In the last session, we have to discuss about that nutrition food. What is that called nutrition food? That food we have to take in food with attractive and vitamins and minerals and healthy way we are cooking that food are called nutrition food. Examples, we have to take milk, curd, milk related food, and carbohydrates, fats, minerals like pulses, wheat, millets, that is called protective food. And in that protective food nutrition food is that in our India have different kinds of states. We have to take that different kinds of food. In that north side they have to take a very much amount of wheat. In that south side they have to take the rice very much. They prepare their own style different food items in this south and north side, and they have two different kinds of food varieties with pulses or millets or cereals. In this now we have to learn about the carbohydrates. The carbohydrates provides to us instant energy to us body. It is called energy giving food, and that who is taking more carbohydrates need that the people who are that do hard work and such as laborers, sportsmen and growing children, young boys, girls and boys, they need more carbohydrates. Where it is carbohydrates such a very much in their food, rice, wheat, barley, rye, maize, oats and millets. They have in carbohydrates in these food grains. Now we have to learn about the fats. Fats, it gives us more than energy carbohydrates. Examples, walnuts, nuts, ghee, etc. Fats gives us more than energy above the carbohydrates kanna ekkuva energy is fats. Fats gives us more energy carbohydrates. They also help in keeping our body warm. However, we should not consume too much fat as its accumulation in our body. Yes, fats gives us more than energy of carbohydrates. They also help in keeping our body warm. And however, we should not take a lot of amount of fats because it is harmful to body. Anything is carbohydrates or fats, anything, we do not take lot of amount of carbohydrates. We do not take lot of amount of fats. It is harmful to our body. Yes, fats has accumulation. It is not consumed to our body fat. That fat has its accumulation in our body. It can lead to addition. It is lead to condition called obesity. Yes, we have to take more than fats to our body. It is become a obesity our body. It become our body obesity. అంటే ఉండాల్సిన దానికన్నా బరువు ఎక్కువగా ఉండడం. That is called obesity. What is that? We should not consume too much fat as its accumulation in our body can lead a condition is called obesity. Then it is not take, we have to take a proper amount of fats to our daily life. We have to take more than our body needs fats, we have to take, and that is called obesity. Walnuts, nuts, ghee, cheese, butter and oil such as fish oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil and olive oil are rich in sources of fats. Where it is more than fats is in their food, rich in food, that walnuts and nuts, ghee, cheese, butter and olive oils, such as oils which we have to cooking for the curry, no? Oils, which oil we have to use, suppose groundnut and sunflower. Then we have to use for cooking coconut oil. Yes, that is such as oils are called fish oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil and olive oil is that rich in fats. That it helps to as in growth of our and muscles. No, fats. It gives us more than energy, carbohydrates, and it is rich in fats, walnuts, nuts, ghee, butter, cheese. It is, but we do not take a lot of amount to our body. It is consumed. How much consume? We have to take that amount of fats only. We have to take more than fats. Enough fats means it can accumulation to our body called obesity. Next we have to go proteins. Proteins help us in the growth of our bones, muscles, nails and hair, etc. It is helps to growth of our bones and muscles and nails and hair. See, we have to learn. They have to called bodybuilding also. It is called body building food. See, bodybuilding foods. Food that helps to proper growth and maintenance of the body is called bodybuilding. What is we can call the food we have to take in proper amount to our body. It is helps to growth our maintenance of our body is called bodybuilding foods. Then the food items rich in proteins are bodybuilding foods. Rich proteins are there, that food is also called bodybuilding foods. The proteins also another name is bodybuilding food. That more we have to take the food, in that food have more proteins, we can call that bodybuilding food also. Then proteins. Proteins, it help us to growth of our bones and muscles, nails and hairs. Now only we have to learn. This we have to read again. Proteins. Proteins help in the growth of our bones, muscles, nails and hair. They are essential for repairing worn out cells. Worn out cells. That and tissues of our body. Tissues our body. Yes, tissues can make a cell. No, cell make two organs. Organ makes two organ system. No, that the cell will increase means the tissues also very proper. That is that they are essential. Which are essential? Proteins are essential for repairing worn out cells. Repairing worn out cells and tissues of our body. Hence they are important especially for growing children. Pulses such as Bengali gram, green gram, black gram, chickpea and peas in rich sources of proteins. Other sources of including milk, cheese, egg, meat and curd, soya beans also rich proteins in that. Which food is there? That pea, cheese and curd and Bengal gram. They have to rich in proteins. These foods have rich in proteins. It helps to our body for muscles and bones, nails and hairs. It is very important to our body muscles are fit and proper way they have to take proper proteins. Otherwise the structure we have to our body not proper way growing. This proteins are important, especially growing children. The proteins are important for that growing children. Pulses such as Bengal gram, green gram, black gram. Bengal gram ante chenigalu, green gram pesarlu, black gram kandulu and chickpea chikkullu. That is చిక్కుడు గింజలు అనుములు ఉంటాయి కదా మనం ఉడకబెట్టుకొని స్నాక్స్ తింటాం, స్నాక్స్ ఐటమ్. And peas అంటే చిక్కుడుకాయ. Rich in source of proteins. They have to rich sources of proteins. Other sources include milk, cheese also have rich proteins. These are the protein gives food. I will ask some questions in the last session. Listen properly, okay na? Just I will show to you pictures. See, this is food rich in fats. This is protein rich food. Okay na? And here word body also there, obesity. that is the state of being overweight, that is dangerous to health. Obesity means state of being overweight, that is dangerous to health. Next one, maintenance. Maintenance, the act of keeping something in good condition. And maintenance means act of keeping something in good condition. This is called about that proteins. And protective food also there. Protective food means what is that? That food protect us. That food protect us from diseases and help in our body vitamins and minerals. What is the protective food? Food that help protect us from diseases, help keeping our body healthy and fit. It is called protective food. Protective food protects from diseases and helps it to keep our body healthy and fit. It is called protective food. And food items rich in vitamins and minerals are protective food. Which food have vitamins and minerals? That food are called protective food. Understand? Which food have? Main source of protective food is that which food have vitamins and minerals? That food is called protective food. Up to here we have to learn, and next session we have to discuss about that vitamins and minerals. And children, you should complete chart, prepare that what is the carbohydrates giving food and what is the fats are giving food. You should write and write the names of food, sources of foods. Food, carbohydrates, sources of food items, fats, and write that like that chart. Okay na? This is called protective food. And protective food also which helps sources of food. Proteins also which food has rich in proteins. You should write and chart prepared and send through the WhatsApp group. Okay na children? Thank you. And compulsory should complete the assignments also. Daily we are sending worksheets also, should complete and send with the WhatsApp group. Thank you.